Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video we're going to go over CAD yen. We're going to see where this market could potentially go to as price continues to break higher. And as you can see on the screen, we've got CAD yen here on the left hand side, we've got dollar CAD on the top, and we've got dollar yen on the bottom. And the reason I've done that is because I'm showing you the fact that these two major currency pairs are making up the move here on CAD yen. Okay, so we recently posted a video last week discussing a long trade on CAD yen, which we took and which has profited now. Only recently as the market has broken through. The market did come back on us, but again found resistance on dollar CAD, and CAD started to push through with a little bit of strength, moving this market a lot higher. Now look at this 4-hour time frame, you can see that we've just broken out those highs. So in really what we're looking for is for a pullback. Now we're looking for the market to consider pushing back down into these previous structure highs, where we can then look for another position, because that's exactly what we did here. You know, the market was in a downtrend, we came into this big support level, market found resistance, hit the support, broke through. Where did it pull back to? Previous structure highs. Broke through. Where did it pull back to? Previous structure highs. Broke through. Previous structure highs. So we're looking for the same thing to happen again. We're looking for the pullback into the previous structure. At this point then, we want to see what's going on with dollar CAD and CAD yen. At the moment, dollar yen is actually breaking through some key significant resistance. So this 110.20 level has been a level we've been eyeing up for some time, and the market is now finally breaking through. So if it closes above that, the next sort of target for dollar yen is around about 111, 112. So that means to me that the yen could continue to get weaker, which means the market is in a risk on sentiment, which means stock markets could rally. We've got CAD, dollar CAD here continuing to push lower, which we've been expecting as well from this retest of that resistance level. The market again came down. Where did it find resistance? Previous structure lows, okay? Breakthrough, previous daily lows. Come back, resistance again, finding that CAD strength. Yen pushing through. So really, if dollar CAD continues to fall and dollar yen pulls back and continues to rise, we should see a pullback continuation here on CAD yen. So that's what I'm really looking for here, is a nice pullback continuation move on this. When price comes back into this zone, I'm going to take a look at dollar CAD and dollar yen, see where these markets are sitting. If dollar CAD rallies, okay, and we come back into this resistance, we produce another bearish reversal from here, then you want to be looking for those CAD buys across your currency pairs. And you know, if CAD yen at that point is back at this level, you know, maybe dollar yen's pull back at that point as well, and we're all kind of lining up with key resistance levels, then I'll be taking those positions on CAD yen. You can see here, this is where dollar CAD started to push, and look at the dotted line on dollar CAD and down here on dollar yen. As soon as dollar CAD started to move lower, dollar yen started to move higher. We had that big impulse to the upside. So expecting that dollar CAD to continue as well. So you could even be looking at lower time frame stuff here. A little double top on a 15-minute, waiting for a little bit of a continuation move to form here as well. So I do like dollar CAD short a lot. This has been a good market to trade recently, and is providing some good moves. So looking for that potential move here on dollar CAD. I would like to see a move higher, but you know, that's not always the case. We don't always get what we're looking for in that point of view. So seeing how the market reacts here, you know, if we go to an hourly as well on dollar CAD, you can see there's a potential cycle forming here. So I like the idea of getting short on dollar CAD, which leads to buying of CAD yen as well. So keep your eyes on those. Just to give an update to sort of what I'm seeing across the board in terms of Kiwi dollar. We were watching this before in terms of looking for the reversal. We didn't get it. The market's come back down into this support level, and now we're starting to see a little bit of a bounce. And at the moment, the market is forming an inverse head and shoulders pattern. So in here you can see nice inverse head and shoulders pattern. We're currently testing the neckline, so if we get a nice bullish close here, then there could be an opportunity to take this market long towards these resistance levels above. So keep your eye on that as well. If you have any questions, drop the comments below, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks for joining me, and thanks.